Hi guys! Wow! Angry cat! Amazing animal! Oh, hilarious cat! Oh, this is amazing! What a cat! Oh, sloping cat! Cat walk! Wow! Beautiful! Haha! Cat playing a hand free. What is this? Beautiful cat. Amazing cat sleeping. What is
Whoa!
this? I think it's sugar glade here. Wow.
Whoa!
Black cat on our dog eating a meat. Wow. What is this?
Oh!
Oh, glorious. Black cat with yellow eyes. Nice. Haha.
Whoa!
Cat on shopping mall. Playing a ball. Nice. Oh, cat playing. Sorry. Beautiful brown dog.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Cat watching a view. Cat cleaning our home. Sugar gladiator jumping. 1, 2, 3. Three baby cats. Nice. You stopped on me. Oh, open the door, dog. Amazing. What is this? Hair remover.
Amazing!
Oh, beautiful chick. Oh, family baby cats. Oh, I think it's an owl. Yes. 1, 2, 3, and 3 cats and 1 dog. Wow. Eating a seafood, I think. Don't be a
Whoa!
spectator. Wow. Oh, it's so cute and beautiful parrot. Cat shower time. Wow, beautiful sugar glade here. Nice. What is this? What? So cool parrot. Wow. Angry cat. Oh, cat save our babies. Amazing sleeping. Wow. Owl on tree. Cat sleeping but eating. Eating a fruits. How to trim your nails. Wow. Sugar gladiator. 1, 2, 3. 3 colors of cat. Wow. Playing a ball. Wow. I think it's a fox baby. Yes. Wow. Cat and it's our baby. Wow. White cat. It's beautiful. What is this? Oh, it's very small chick. What is this? Cleaning time. 1, 2, 3 cats and 1 husband and his wife. What is this?
Amazing!
Oh, cat watching on TikTok. Haha. Noise. What is this? What is this? Oh, cat sleeping on the blanket. It's lover. It's very lover. Oh, cat. Glasses cat. Cats. Wow. New trick. Wow, unbelievable. What is this? This cat? What a dog. Glorious dog. What is it? Easy, easy cat, easy. It's your food. It's time to sleeping.
Wow! Wow!
Cleaning time.
Wow! 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 Wow!
Cat is so beautiful. Amazing. Go gladiator. Go, go, please go. But he's no. Oh, cat and dog eating a food. Dog on swimming pool. Wow, new trick to eating a milk. What? Amazing! This is love water, I think.